In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage projects in Hubspot. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Hubspot account and you are on the main dashboard. From here, go to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. A menu will open. In that menu, select Projects. This takes you into HubSpot's project workspace, where you can plan and track work in a simple, visual way. Once you are on the Projects page, look for the button that says Create Project and click it. HubSpot may offer different options for setting up a project. For this walkthrough, choose Create from Scratch. Starting from scratch is helpful when you want a clean layout and you already know the tasks you need to include. Next, you will be prompted to name your project. Enter a clear project name that describes the outcome you are working toward, then click Create Project. Using a specific name makes it easier to find later, especially when you have multiple projects running at the same time. Now you are ready to add your tasks. In the top right area of the project view, click Add Task. You can type in your task titles here. Keep task titles short and action-focused, so anyone looking at the board can understand what needs to be done at a glance. Add all the tasks you currently know about, and remember, you can always add more later as the project develops. After your tasks are created, click on a task to open its details. On the right sidebar, assign an owner, which is the person responsible for completing the task. Then set a due date, so the timeline is clear and the work stays on schedule. Assigning ownership and deadlines early helps prevent tasks from getting overlooked. As work begins, keep the project up to date by moving tasks through the workflow. You can drag and drop tasks between the To-Do, In Progress, and Done columns. This gives you an instant picture of what is pending, what is actively being worked on, and what has been completed. That covers everything you need to know.